Hello, hello, this is Eric Jones. I'm back again with the fifth video in the series, Boom! As you can see, I'm still here in Las Vegas. Had an exciting vision conference. Got a plethora of information about the new changes and new additions to the company. One thing that's come up over and over again is the $99 subscription fee. So this video explains in depth about the subscription fee, what it's used for, the overhead and everything. The cost to run your business is a small price to pay for such a powerful platform. So anyway, just take a look at this video. The link is below this video. Just watch it over and over and over again until you get a full understanding, so that way you can explain it to your team members. Y'all take care, you take charge, and I will definitely see you at the top. Boom!
And I want you guys to know that you can use this event to change your life.
The next time you walk in any room, they need to ask you, are you in iBÜUMERAng?
You do deserve to have your heart's desires. You deserve that, and you can have it.
This is so special, this idea that we have, this concept. And so what we've got to do is let's go out there and create the future.